I've been raving about Sapelo skincare for the longest time. It is really the only topical treatment I have ever found that turns back the hands of time, really delivering on its anti-aging process. And so Springtide Serum is something that I've been using since it came out. And you can see it is doing wonders for me. I'm 43. And I've started to develop these fine lines. The crow's feet are coming out. And so I found this microneedling device, which I wanted to try to really just give this a boost. And so Springtide Serum, what's unbelievable about this is it boosts collagen production, and this is clinically proven, by 350%, and elastin production by 120%. And it's made, the active ingredients is salmon caviar. And so whether you are incorporating this into your daily regimen, or if you're someone that just needs to do one and go, this is the only product you need. So just want to do a quick demo. So I'm gonna put, really all you need is a pump, into the top of the microneedling device, at-home microneedling device, non-surgical. And for me, this is the trouble area. So I'm just gonna start, and I'll just tell you before I start, it's just like a drop of a tinge of burn, but honestly, I'm the worst, so if I can do it, you can do it. And I'm just gonna start here and just go up. And then I'll just get this side as well. You see, just following that line gently and then coming back. And it's unbelievable. You don't even really see any redness here. And so then just take one other dab of our Springtide Serum and just dab it over. Now the Springtide Serum I use twice a day, in the morning or night. With the microneedling, just try it every 40 hours, and within 2 weeks you will start to notice a major difference.